Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you which two fuses to check if your towing plug is not working. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. The main fuse box is located under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery. To lift the cover, you will have two clips on the right side, this one and this one, so you want to press onto both of these to unlock it and then pull the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so you want to check fuse number M4, which is a 10 amp red fuse located here. And you want to check fuse number M14, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse just next to it. So these are the two fuses responsible for power to the trailer tow plug. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.